This is my ceiling fan. Now, on the top of the fan you can see that there is dust on it. It has been accumulated for months. Months and months and months of not doing my chores. So, to mitigate this problem, instead of using hard work and determination, I have used easy work and consolidation. And I have derived with the fan duster. The only thing that you need is a stick and a feather with a hole in between it. Just go in and out. Go in and out. You can actually do the top one in one shot, the top and the bottom fin in one shot. So if you don't see the bottom fin getting clean, you could just, like right now demonstrating, use the top feather to just brush off the dust, and you can do it again with force on the top of the fan. Just use it and you clean the whole fan. Look at that magic, man, magic. Unlike traditional pails and cloth and ladders, you gotta climb up, you gotta use cloth, you gotta go up the top of the fin, and you gotta go bottom of the fin, and you gotta go side to side. And to top it off, you may have a risk factor of cracking your bones, going to hospital, destroying your life. Well, right here you have no hard work, just long hands and determination of finishing it early. So let's speed up and see my results of cleaning. So blah blah blah, and here you are. These are the dust droplings that you can see. Here is how much dirt is on my fan, and make sure do not put any furniture below the fan because it will be dusty. Make sure you use vacuum cleaner to properly clean the floor so that there's no dust. And that is all. You can see my feather duster has all the dirt on it. That is all. See ya. Click subscribe if you haven't. Click like. Go to the end of my video and click the playlist. In the playlist there are all my videos all at the corner at the right side. So thank you all for watching.